Greetings and welcome back to my channel, Trisha Bakes. Today we're going to be making a Guinness chocolate cake. I'm starting off by melting 400 grams of unsalted butter, to which I'm going to be adding 133 grams of cocoa powder, making sure it's the baking kind. And then I'm going to also add 200 ml of Guinness. Turning off the stove once I've added everything into the pot, and then I'm going to just whisk it all together and set it aside to cool. In a separate bowl, I've got 500 grams of white granulated sugar, 335 grams of plain white flour, and 2 teaspoons of baking soda, to which I'm adding the chocolate and Guinness mixture. I'm now adding 300 ml of sour cream, I'm also adding 4 eggs, and a tablespoon and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. I'm now going to give everything a good whisk, making sure that all the ingredients are well combined and the batter is smooth.
Is just pouring the batter through a sieve, and this is just to ensure that there are no more flour lumps left in the batter before baking.
I baked my cake for an hour and 15 minutes on 160 degrees. Everyone's oven is different, so I would suggest maybe checking it at the 60-minute mark.
The toothpick inserted should come out clean. Time for the big reveal! Ta-da!
I used buttercream to ice this cake. Hopefully I'll have the recipe up for that by tomorrow. We're getting very professional over here, no bloopers this week.
Be sure to watch out for next week's video. Blessings!